How to make a butterfly dress. The front, the back of the dress. This is a different way you can wear it. Notice it has like 2 holes on the sleeves. So for this dress we will need 2 yards of this fabric. It's Ankara, and to start with, get the 2 yards of that fabric, fold it half lengthwise and then half widthwise. So at the end of it all you will have 1 yard long and 22 inches wide. So it's basically folded into quarter of the dress. And then this is a sketch of what you need to draft. You'll need to cut out the neck and the sleeve area, and also the curve at the bottom. So after folding and marking everything, cut out the curve at the bottom. And you make sure it's a nice curve, so that once the dress is complete it can sit properly and you can carve nicely and bring out the butterfly shape. Make sure to cut out the extra edges, so you're left with 22 inches wide. And then remember to also cut the neck, mark the neck area. The back side should be 3 inches and the front part 6.5 inches. And when this is folded this way, it's very easy to cut it out, because you can just start by cutting both sides, 3 inches of both, and then it's also 3 inches wide, and then pick the top fold and cut out the 6.5 inches. And then so you can have your neck, it's a little lower in front and higher at the back. Also remember to mark out the sleeve area. There's a hole, that's a design, a fancy design, right there where the arrow is pointing. Remember to mark it and cut it out. And then usually I like to fold so that it's easy to mark the side seam, where the side seam will be. So do that, it's easier that way. And then after you've marked the side seam and cut out everything, confirm that everything is good before stitching. Make sure the neck area is done, both the back and the front, and then also the hole where the design is, where the hole on the sleeve, also cut it out. It's about 1 inch deep, and then ensure that the curve is okay, and then make sure you've also marked the side seam so that when you're done it will be easy to stitch, and preferably even iron it. And then after that, make sure you hem the neck area and the other side, the sleeve area, all round, and then the whole dress all round. Make a tiny little 1/4 inch hem, make it very neat. And then after you're done hemming everything, the neck, the sleeve, and all round, it's time to stitch the side seam. Lay the dress flat, make sure it's well lined, and then top stitch the part where it was marked as the arrow points, where there's a dotted line on the pattern. So ensure you stitch both sides, the side seam, and leave room for the sleeve at the top, about 9 inches. And when you're done, both sides, there you have it. Your dress is ready. It's as simple as that. And you can wear this dress in 2 different ways. You can wear it like, let me call it a long sleeve or a short sleeve like this one shows. So it could be one as a short sleeve like that, or as a long sleeve like in this video. And you can see the little design on the hole, and yeah, it looks like a butterfly. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. Thank you.